Here's how to create a work shift with scheduled breaks for your team. First, navigate to the Manager workspace. In the navigation panel, select the Schedule icon and then the Shifts tab. To view existing schedules, on the side panel, select the Show Shift Plans icon. Select the Create Work Shift Plans or On-Call Shifts icon and choose the shift type. Ours will be a work shift. Give it a name that reflects its purpose. Then set the start and end times. If you want to use the agent time zone, which comes from each agent's user record, leave this checkbox selected instead of specifying a time zone. But we want this shift to apply to the US-specific time zone, so we'll clear the checkbox and select that zone in the time zone field. The active checkbox is selected by default. If we wanted to activate this shift later, we'd clear this for now. Finally, select the specific days of the week for the shift and save it. Here's our night shift. Now let's schedule a break. Enter the break name and duration. Then set the earliest start time and latest end time. For example, we've set a 15-minute break to occur between 11 p.m. and 2 a.m. To ensure that the whole shift is covered, the scheduling application will automatically stagger agents' breaks during the shift. To finish, save the break. Here's our night shift with breaks.